up? It's your boy AZ Moto YZ Boy, back at y'all with another video with the 2007 CTS, Cadillac Cts. How to remove and install a trunk. So you got 4 bolts on each side. They're about like these. There's 2 on each side. You got to remove from both sides of the trunk, which you got to take off the covering right there to remove each pin. I'm not sure, there's like 6 pins on each one around it. You got to disconnect each piece right here, take the wire off, disconnect it from the little top right there, take the 4 bolts off, and then we're going to show you how to install it back. Alright. And there's the trunk. Let's get it, come on. Alright. What you're going to do is put each one back in the holes and go ahead and put your bolt back on. Give it a little tiny, don't want to tighten it too much because you got to still fix it. Don't tighten it too much. Alright. Is it on? Hold on. The new wire, the wire that goes to it right here. This one was chopped from the car we got it from. So yeah, what you're gonna do is pretty much is take, like I said, take these pins out. There's about 6 of them going around, or 5 of them. Take this off. With a flathead, you can take the pins out.
Let me see. Socket.
And then what you're gonna do is pretty much wire is going into like little holes. You just attach each one of these little pieces into the thing, which is gonna drag you across about all the way to about right here. You're gonna pin that back in there, close your trunk, and that should be how you remove and install a trunk on a 2007. I believe it could be a 2004 to a 2007 Cadillac CTS. Alright, y'all. Put a comment below if y'all need any help or anything. Appreciate it.